There's some big news coming in from West Bengal. No political leader from any party will be allowed in Cooch Behar for the next 72 hours. Remember, Mamta is scheduled to meet families of those killed in firing at Cooch Behar early in the day. Now, no campaigning or meeting with anyone in the vicinity there will be allowed for the next 72 hours before phase 5 of polling. Here's now Idris Ali joining us from the TMC for more details on this. Mr. Ali, here's a ruling, a mandate now. No political leader from any party will be allowed in Cooch Behar for the next 72 hours. Now, Cooch Behar, the same area where at least 5 people succumbed to the clash there after CISF opened fire. They claim that it was out of self-defense. What, in your opinion, does this mean to the TMC here?
Yeah, this is very unfortunate and uncalled for.
Right.
And the Honorable Commission is actually working on the structure of BJP. This is very unfortunate.
But here, what the CISF says is that the locals tried to attack the armed forces. They tried to gheraw them, at least 150 people, and they were all instigated by Mamta Banerjee.
What I have heard, Trinamool workers were murdered by the central force.
Okay.
This is very, very, very condemnable. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, she's going there. Election Commission, actually they don't allow our Honorable Chief Minister. What is going on?
What, according to you, here the Election Commission blocks all netas. No political leaders are allowed inside Cooch Behar for the next 72 hours. Mamta Banerjee planned a massive protest tomorrow. What do you plan to do now?
In my opinion, actually, I'm at Bhagwan
Okay.
In my constituency, but what we'll do by our Honorable Chief Minister, our Honorable beloved leader Mamta Banerjee, will support her, no doubt.
So whatever Mamta does now Mamta Banerjee, we hear, was all set to meet with the family of those who succumbed. Now she won't be able to go there. Here we're looking at Election Commission taking strict cognizance of this. Of course, they've now asked, they're investigating into the matter here further. What exactly, according to you, has happened? Many locals, CISF say that many locals have been instigated. They're all coming to attack the armed forces.
Actually, we are bound to follow the direction. That means what our Honorable Chief Minister, TMC Supremo will do, that is sufficient. She knows law. She should.
Thank you very much for joining us with those details. Let me quickly cut across to Prema Rajaram joining us. All right, I'm going to cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us. More details on that. Aishwarya, here's the Election Commission now come out with a new mandate that none can enter Cooch Behar for the next 72 hours until the phase 5 polling begins. So therefore, no campaigning, that's out of question. But Mamta Banerjee was all set to carry out a protest march there in Cooch Behar against the CISF firing. And it seems like the Election Commission now has blocked all that.
Well, definitely, Nabila, the Election Commission, the order which the Election Commission has given, it has thrown a spanner in the plans of what Mamta Banerjee was planning. Mamta Banerjee was planning to go along with her supporters in Cooch Behar and stage a protest. That is something which she will not be able to do, but we'll still have to wait and watch what course of action does Mamta Banerjee take. From what we are understanding at the moment, there is a possibility of Mamta Banerjee trying to enter the district, but the orders are very clear. No one from any political party, it's not just TMC, no one from any political party can now enter the district area of Cooch Behar. Election Commission believes the situation is very volatile and they want peaceful conduction of election, because of which this new order has been given. So for the next 72 hours, the district of Cooch Behar is out of bounds for any political leader. Nabila.
Thank you very much, Aishwarya, for joining us with those details. No political leader now will be allowed inside Cooch Behar for the next 72 hours. This comes amid Mamta Banerjee deciding to hold a protest march tomorrow. Now it seems like the Election Commission has blocked all of the leaders from entering Cooch Behar at all. On that note, I'm going to